Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so we've been on this band ride. You had the Monday Globex session and the Tuesday regular session that has brought things down from the upper band. I think we'll probably test the 9-day this week. That'll bring us in around 44.03 to 44.10, depending on where it is. We traded as low as 10.5 yesterday. The Bears had a lot of chances yesterday to really go ahead and press this thing down, deal with the round of yesterday morning. Couldn't really do it. The biggest thing that stands out for me this week is after today, you got Powell speaking today at 10 o'clock in front of the House Financial Services Committee. But beyond that, there isn't any other real big pieces of news out there. So what this is going to do is give this tape an opportunity to basically just be alone with its own thoughts. Trade in a vacuum with price. And I'll be very curious to see what price wants to do as we get into the next 2 to 4 sessions. We have the Fed in the rearview mirror now. CPI is in the rearview mirror. We're heading into the summer. I don't think the volatility is going to slow down. I think we're going to see what we've seen the last couple of summers, which is you're going to have days where the market is very opportunistic, and days where the market really provides a couple of opportunities. It is the whole theory of it's summer, it's seasonal, the tape slows down. That just doesn't really come to pass anymore, and certainly not a year like this. There's just too much stuff going on in the world. A dead market in this day and age looks like this. That's what that is. And then, we did this. So we had this big, long consolidation, and then the move out of the consolidation. Now we're going to retest. So you got the 9-day, the 20-day, we'll see. The shallower the retest, the more screwed the Bears are. Just put it just like that. The more shallow the retest, the more screwed the Bears are. So it'll be a very interesting move back here. If it's a deep retest with no news and things like that, then look, to everybody that thinks the market, is going to go up every day and everything's going to be rainbows and lollipops. No, it's not. Again, there's way too much going on in the world. Okay. And to everybody that thinks that every day is the day that the moon is going to crash into the earth, yeah, how's that working out for you? It's not. So probably what's better in both of your cases is to just trade price. And again, there's going to be days where the market provides a ton of opportunity. There's going to be days where the market isn't particularly interested in doing much more than maybe 1 or 2 moves. So let's look at the hourly. It's just a big battle over the weekly pivot. 44.33.83. That was what yesterday was about. This is that opportunity. They really could have taken it down. What I wanted to see them try to do was to have a hard break and deal with this low from Thursday and this low from Wednesday, and maybe even this one from Tuesday. As we were building all these higher lows that the Bears, eventually they just ripped over the top of. Yesterday would have been a chance to really retrace a lot of that. Look, Bears have done well. They've taken about 80 handles off of it. But they have to start creating lower lows, just like the Bulls were creating higher highs here. If you can do that, then the test of the 9-day down here at 44.03 should, just be the beginning. Then you have to really take a long, hard look at where is the daily mid-band. And right now it is at around 43.32. But that would take time. But none of it's going to happen if you can't seal off weekly pivot as resistance and deal with 4,400 and turn that into resistance. So where do the numbers come in today? You got the hourly mid-band, 44.32.65. Weekly pivot, again, is 33.83. Volume-weighted average price is 32.19. Proprietary moving average is 31.5. So from 31.5 to 34, you got all this stuff. And price is just kind of living there. But I do feel today, especially with Powell speaking at 10, you have a real serious opportunity for some directional pricing. But the beginning of any move of any significance today is going to start from the same place that it started yesterday, which is going to be from weekly pivot. So we ended up shorting into this, and then we let it come back in. We didn't really, I didn't really even try to get long until the 31 area, and then that was okay. So it was just there was a decent short yesterday, a decent long, and a lot of stuff that wanted to chop. In the afternoon was pure boredom. Past 1:30, it was pure boredom. There's nothing going on. So again, some tapes are going to provide a couple of opportunities, but it's not going to be dead. You just have to be patient. So we'll see where we come out today. Again, Powell at 10 is going to be a big deal. That's where we are. That's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.